They'll never make me conform. Assimilate, young Mecca? Never. My school of thought and my cult is more clever. It's the cult of Ra Horeketi. Don't you get it? I get the hat with the C on it and fit it. Go on a mission, cause I'm with the business, I did it. And you know that's right. I've been through so much pain all my life, and the shit ain't right. Make sure my assassin team comes tight, comes right, my vengeance group. I lace my troops like I lace my boots, and I'ma fight for God too, cause that's what real niggas do, and that's how we does. From the Bay to Nigeria, cuz I keeps it true. I keeps it in green, white, and green or blue, in the color of Biafra too. Cause I'ma rise like the sun, the tears of the sun. Know the cousin with the machine gun. It's Ebo, and it's Crip. I know you don't get it, but you will, bitch. Eventually, you'll remember my story, my battles and scars, and how I put it down on the streets or in jail with the Crip car. I went hard. In Santa Cruz, I got hated on by a stupid-ass broad. Bunch of woods think oppressing minorities is their job. I've been through so much pain. I was laced in prison by Christians in the Crip car, man. I was laced on the streets. I was laced by G's from 7 trees. I was laced on Verdi Block. I came out as the smartest gangster off top. Nobody is no challenge for me. I could kill them easily, or send the worst members of my team, and they still balance the whole motherfucking thing. It's like a light stream, I get it. Young Mecca, I performed the hit, I hit it. I got the victim. Motherfucking wig, yeah, I split him. I did him. Young Mecca, with the image of a panther as it strike. Young Mecca, I'm smart as fuck. You're just a dyke, a tomboy God won't like. That's why lightning strike, and it strike your motherfucking ass off your bike. Cause you are white trash wood like a biker. But I'm not a racist. The racist, I fight him, or her, whatever it may be. It's Young Mecca with a fucking army, with the color of the sea and the color of the night. I strike like a panther. You best believe it, that's right. Last night, I really saw a mountain lion, and I knew, Young Mecca, what God's telling me to do. He says keep it motherfucking true. Keep it Ebo, fool. Cause I'm the hero. Because I'm a real motherfucker. Cause I'll be right there with my chucks. I'll be right there with big guns. I'll be right there making civilians run. And my rivals will be dead. Outline that bitch in chalk. He just lost his head. The 30-06 was shot by my nigga with the dread. And the MAC-10 was shot by a real nigga. Like, what's up, man? What's up, Fred? I do this shit like a cougar. I do this shit with a Ruger. Ask your homies who quickly do ya. Ask your big homies who did. Matter of fact, go ask those pale ass pigs. Punk ass sheriffs that I'd split. Like a stack of mixed alchemical steel bricks with a little bit of wood. A little bit of a brick. A little bit of cement, and I can fix it after it's destroyed. I'm a real revolutionary. You're a decoy. I'm a man, you're just a boy. I'm a panther, you're a fucking kitten. You're assimilated, I'm crippin'.